steps of this Bobby the little girl, and I decided to come here. And my favorite sticker is gonna help me.
Matagal. Hindi, yung matagal mong ipapark dito sa
Okay,
SM.
this is
Dito ka na
a
mag-park
girl,
overnight, ganun.
and she has 2 little marshmallows. I got 3, so I cannot go camping with all of them. But it's for the dog. And then the 2 cups is for her and the dog. And then the campfire and the guitar, and this is it for this one. And then this one is a girl that is going on picnics. It's have a juice block, cupcake, a pot, and a bag that can also turn into an oven. A kitchen. And the last one,
Wala na nga, dumating na yung bombero.
the last one is a birthday girl. This cake can actually also be a pot because there's nothing inside. Like it's hollow. And the bow for the birthday girl. And the pink strands. And her rainbow skirt. And her pretty ribbons. The balloon and the gift.
Oh, yun lang pala eh, mga basurahan
That's
eh.
it. So don't forget to stay happy and stay kind.
Diyan lang sila, tapos bahay.